Welcome students. Our next topic is chirality. See students, chirality topic we already have discussed in the element of symmetry. So I don't think so that to repeat the chirality once again. If you want to know chirality, please refer to the previous video, that is element of symmetry. In that, at first we explained what is chirality. See, in chirality, just you have to give one example. Such like example we have taken. Uh, Such an example we have taken for chirality. I told you that chiral center, about chiral center I told you. At first what you will give the definition of chirality. Chirality means chiral molecule, means what is chiral molecule. See, chiral molecule is different and chiral center is different. This all things I told you in the previous video when I explained this topic. Okay, when I explained this one, I told you everything, that what is chiral center and what is chiral molecule. Chiral center means center, the carbon atom which is attached by 4 different group, that is a chiral center. And chiral molecule means the molecule which, if the chiral center, the molecule with chiral center, if will form the mirror image, when mirror image, अगर ये mirror image जो होगा, if it is non superimposable, then only we can say that the molecule is chiral. Otherwise, अगर इसका जो mirror image है वो non superimposable रहेगा, तभी हम लोग बोल सकते हैं कि that this molecule is chiral molecule. Otherwise we have to say that the molecule is achiral. See, this thing I have explained you by taking the help of the hands also. I told you by taking this two hand, with the help of this two hand I explained you that what is superimposable, what is non superimposable. This thing I have explained, so I don't think so to repeat this once again. So what thing you will involve in this? If question is there of chirality, then if at first you will write the definition of chirality, and then you will give this example, this thing you will show. Okay, that is more than sufficient. Okay, so we'll move forward to our next topic, that is that's isomer with more than one chiral center. So our next topic is isomers with more than one chiral center. Isomers with more than one chiral center. Okay, so up till we have learned about only one carbon atom, means अब तक हमने जो molecules पढ़े हैं, the molecule was having only one chiral center. इस टाइप के molecule पढ़े हैं. ये कार्बन एटम है, इसमें 4 अलग अलग ग्रुप अटैच है, और फिर हमने उसकी स्टडी की है, उसका इमेज फॉर्म किया है और स्टडी की है. तो when there is only one carbon atom and that also is chiral carbon atom, then we don't find any difficulty in telling that whether this molecule is chiral molecule or not. It is very simple. If one carbon is there and the carbon is chiral center, then definitely we will say that the molecule is chiral molecule. But in case if we have 3 carbon atom, in case we have 3 carbon atom, such like CH3, CH3, CH, 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 OH, CH, Br. If such like compound we have, then in this case we have so many carbon atom. Okay, then it becomes difficult. Then it becomes difficult to tell that whether this whole molecule, it is very difficult to tell that whether the whole molecule is chiral molecule or not. उसके लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा हमको? At first we have to see that out of this 4 carbon atom, which carbon atom are chiral carbon? That first we have to search. हमें क्या ढूंढना पड़ेगा? सबसे पहले ढूंढना पड़ेगा हमको कि इनमें से कौन कौन से कार्बन chiral कार्बन हैं. ठीक है. इट इज़ नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट दैट ऑल कार्बन इन्वॉल्व इन द चेन आर chiral कार्बन. लेट अस सी. ठीक है. अब हमको आवर टॉपिक इज आइसोमर विथ मोर देन वन chiral कार्बन एटम. अब हमको ये एक मॉलिक्यूल है, दिस मॉलिक्यूल इज हैविंग मोर देन वन chiral कार्बन. Now let us see how many chiral carbon this compound is having, this molecule is having. At first, this is the first carbon atom. This carbon is not chiral. Why this carbon is not chiral? Because it is bonded with 3 hydrogen. और chiral कार्बन कौन सा होता है? जिसके पास चारों जो बॉन्डेड ग्रुप है वो डिफरेंट डिफरेंट हो. इस कार्बन के पास तो 3 हाइड्रोजन सेम है, इसलिए ये chiral नहीं है. अब दिस कार्बन, अब ये कार्बन chiral कार्बन है. हाँ, ये कार्बन chiral कार्बन है. कैसे? बिकॉज थ्रू दिस कार्बन एक हाइड्रोजन अटैच है, ये पहला ग्रुप हो गया. दूसरा ग्रुप CH3 अटैच है, चौथा ग्रुप OH अटैच है, और नेक्स्ट ग्रुप है ये पूरा. मतलब ये कार्बन chiral है. कौन कौन से 4 ग्रुप है इसके पास? ये एक हाइड्रोजन है, ये एक सेकेंड ग्रुप, ये थर्ड ग्रुप और ये फोर्थ ग्रुप. ओके, तो ये एक chiral कार्बन हो गया. ये chiral कार्बन हो गया. दूसरा ये भी chiral कार्बन है. अब ये chiral कार्बन कैसे है? इस कार्बन के पास भी एक हाइड्रोजन है, ये वाला एक हाइड्रोजन है, दूसरा ये वाला ग्रुप, तीसरा ये वाला ग्रुप और चौथा ये पूरा ग्रुप अटैच है. ठीक है. और ये chiral कार्बन नहीं है क्योंकि इसके पास 3 सेम हाइड्रोजन आइटम है. सो ये मॉलिक्यूल है, इस मॉलिक्यूल के पास 2 chiral कार्बन है. ओके. सो हाउ यू विल स्टार्ट? अगर ये if this question is asked to you in the exam that isomer with more than one chiral carbon, have to explain, then first what you will see, what you will write, you'll give this example. ये एग्जाम्पल लिखोगे, इसमें बताना है कि दिस कंपाउंड हैज़ मोर देन वन chiral atom. अब इसे बताओगे तुम लोग कि फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, सेकेंड कार्बन इज chiral एंड थर्ड कार्बन इज ऑल्सो chiral. क्यों chiral है? क्योंकि सेकेंड कार्बन के पास